So here I'm filled with positive energy. Vishwarupa Darshan has been depicted here in this, and this costs for. So these metals come here from different parts of India. So this in pair costs around. Have you ever wondered that why brass is used mostly during pujas in India for centuries? You know the reason? The reason is because it is believed that brass brings positive energy and divine consciousness at home. And also it is considered it brings positive energy all over the home where this brass metal is present, and because puja is considered very divine, it is believed that using brass metals is a good sign and positive. So we are at a place which is full of positive energies. I mean full of brass metals. So we are at Geeta Metals Malleshwaram, where there you can see a lot of brass products and also German silver products as well. So we'll be going inside and seeing what are the products available here, where did they get it from, and how much are they selling it for. So let's go inside. So here I'm filled with positive energies, I mean brass products. Starting with here, we have small idols of every gods I can see, almost everyone. Ganpati Bappa, we have Arjun Karath here, we have Shivji, we have all different kinds of idols, little idols of our gods. So starting with, I can see this is Adi Yogi, and I guess this costs for around
3,630.
Okay, so this costs for 3,630 rupees. This is really pretty and it's really heavy. That means it's actually metal. So not just gods, but we have their Vahan with us as well. We have Nandi here. We have this Shankh. Oh my God, look at this. This is a piece of art. Absolutely. So if you see here, the Shankh, Vishwarupa Darshan has been depicted here in this, and this costs for 4,200, and this is absolutely a piece of art. If you see, this is beautiful. And also if we move forward, we can see not just these, but here we have this in different shade, Ganpati Bappa here. From very small idols to huge idols here, we can see also that one bed that's looking beautiful. Moving ahead, we have here Sai Baba, we have Laddu Gopal. Okay, so all the different forms of gods, all the different types of gods are here. And as I told you, all this has been in use in our Indian culture for centuries, because it is believed that these brass metal brings divine consciousness during the puja, at the home, at the shop, anywhere you are using these metals. So these metals come here from different parts of India. The Adi Yogi I showed you comes from Tamil Nadu, and a lot of different brass metals, brass products come from northern part of India. Not just puja essentials, like I said, the gods, the sculptures, the idols. We also have these kind of brass thalis with us in different sizes. Also, we have some printed ones here. If you see, a beautiful art is printed here on this thali, and this one plate costs around 560 rupees with this beautiful art here. So if you see, we have this beautiful wall hanging with us, which can be put in front of your home, in the walls of your doors and everywhere, and it looks amazing. It has like small Ganpati Bappa made here in every one of them, and it costs for 2,200 rupees. It's purely made of brass, and it has been imported from Tamil Nadu to here. A piece of beauty, right? Next up, if you see here, we have this huge, like absolutely huge elephant shaped pieces. Art is here, if you see, made of brass. So as you can see this elephant here, so this in pair costs around 46,000 rupees. But can you see the beauty here? It can be used for the puja purpose, but also it is used as a showpiece at your home. People put these kind of brass metals in their home with these beautiful sculptures to decorate their home, to decorate their interiors. Also, not just this, we have here, if we see down here, we have Saraswati Mata's idol here, which is just beautiful if you have a closer look, and it costs for 30,000 rupees. It starts for, and then the range goes up according to the size of the sculpture. So not just idols and sculptures, but home necessities and a lot more is available here. So if you see this peacock shaped thing, it has diya shaped in it, which can be used during Diwali to light up your homes and everything, and it looks amazing. Here if we go, we have metal pots, we have containers, we have buckets, we have plates, we have everything from small to large for the needs of home. Also, if you don't know, let me tell you that it has been said that brass metal has copper and zinc in it. So my mom used to tell me always that have water in a brass mug, because when you put water in a brass mug, it absorbs all the nutrients of zinc and copper from the brass and gets indulged with water, and when you drink it, you're getting all the nutrients of copper and zinc in your body. So that is why one of the reasons brass has been used very commonly in the kitchens of thousands and lakhs of Indians yet today. So here in my hand, I have this beautiful peacock hanging lamp. Not just this one, but we have the smaller one with us as well here. What do you think? If you put it in front of your home or during Diwali or any festival and light it up, won't it look absolutely stunning and beautiful? So this one costs for 460 rupees, and the other one that I showed you, this one, this is not quite a lot heavier, but this costs for 2,380 rupees per piece. But this is an absolute stunning piece, I must say. Moving forward, we have these small diyas with us as well, and here if we see, we have this beautiful engraved and crafted and stunning idols. Like if you see, here's Nataraj, which is looking beautiful and amazing. So from small to large, they have everything made up of brass. Like one of the large things I can see is this lamp. This is just almost of my height, I guess. This is so big, and it costs for 19,100 rupees. And it has been imported here from Tamil Nadu. So, as I showed you, they are from small to large. Everything is basically made up of brass. They have everything from the basic kitchen necessities like pots, glasses, plates, everything to everything, including in pujas. From idols, from plates, from small miniature sculptures, idols, and everything, and such huge idols as well. So that was all about brass, but also here we have German silver, which has been getting imported here from the northern parts of India, as I told, for the brass as well, and from Tamil Nadu. One such of beauty we have here, this Kalash. This is a Asht Lakshmi Kalash. That means they have 8, which means they have 8 Lakshmi designs here in this Kalash in a round format, which is looking really good. And apart from that, they have a lot of other things like this plates. They have sculptures and idols of God as well. Here they have lamps and glasses and what not. And like I showed you that Kalash, here we have one antique piece which has been imported from Tamil Nadu here, which has these forms of Lakshmi printed over here, carved here actually. And can you see? These are all the different forms of Lakshmi here. You can see one with an arrow, one with a bow, one with fence and everything, and how beautifully it's been carved, how specifically it is done. So as I told you that they have brass metals, they have German silver including lamps, dias, plates, cups and everything you just say, you'll get it here. Okay, including all the beautiful idols and sculptures as well. So this was all about all the brass products and German silver products that we saw here at Geeta Metals, Malleshwaram. So it is time for me to leave, but if you have any business, shops that you want me to come and cover for you, let me know in the comments.